Any questions? It's a quiet group. Lunch made them tired? Well, you know, if you're a mom or a grandma with little kids and it gets quiet, you need to go investigate what's going on. I'll have one bowl get full and the other bowl get empty if I don't keep them sorted a little bit. They all wind up over here at my sewing machine. All right, so I took that off. I need to make sure I know where I'm at. Make sure you sew across the two-step corner. And remember, this seam right here that you're making is the seam that's going to give you your seam allowance when you cut it for this, when you come in here and cut it on that step. So when you think about these crown shapes that go on your block, and you think about flying geese and corners, and we have, I think, 4 blocks going here. I want you to look at how quick we've gotten to this step. We've been going an hour, and we have 32 flying geese here, ready to rock and roll. Okay, so now we're going to press these. Remember, I put this in the long way so that it helps shoot my fabric out. And we're going to press these open. Let's see. Yep, see how we press these open? And then we don't have all this bulk everywhere.